Little bro was so scared he jumped.
Let don't have much come. Look.
Yeah.
Zag. Hi, my nigga, like my quality. It's cool.
Little bro was having a panic attack.
Mbaba c'est cool? L'autre jour toujours?
Yeah, l'autre jour comme ça.
Oui! Mtuye Monica. Mtuye Monica, ouais! Oh, moi, ya voilà, arrêtez!
Dad thought he broke her.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh Christ! I just broke my daughter.
Is that really you?
Oh shit!
Are you okay?
Mom was mad.
عدل ثلاثة مام.
يلا يلا 1 2 3 بلال يا حيوان بسل بلال نحن ابوك شبهين يا شحن رحنا عن شكلك
She was so proud.
Don't do it hard, Count. I don't want to die, okay? You're supposed to have me crack my neck like this. Yep. And then like this. The other way. Nope.